Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Dollar Bank. So let's get started right away. First, you're going to want to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up. And then in the address bar, type in dollar.bank and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website of Dollar Bank. Now, right on the homepage, you will be able to find the login section where you can type in your user ID and your password to log in. You can also click on the login button at the top right corner and this will open up the same login screen. So just go ahead and type in your user ID followed by your password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with Dollar Bank. In case you forgot your password, just click on the Forgot Password button underneath the login box and you will be able to reset your credentials from there. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Dollar Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.